All right, it's been a little while since I've done an update on the Silverado, but the Silverado went away for a little while and it is back. I brought it to my buddy Pat. He welded up the Nfamus front suspension on it. That's on there now. I don't know exactly what's going on, but this is as hard as the front will lay right now. I've got I can stick my arm all the way around the tires in the front. I don't have the new tie rods on yet, so I'm wondering if just the front's in a bind, not letting it lay all the way. But my buddy Pat that did this, he did the same kit on another buddy's GMC Sierra, and it's on 24s, and he had to tub the firewall and everything, so his lays like it should. So I'm hoping it's just those tie rods, and then it'll lay like it's supposed to. But all that's done. So it's got new upper and lower control arms, raised upper mounts. I put new airlift Dominator 2600s on the front. And then he also welded up the compressor mounts on the back. So the compressors are not gonna be in the bed any longer. They are hanging off the frame rails back here, and he got them low enough to where the bed floor or anything won't have any clearance issues with the compressors. I don't have them mounted yet. I was missing some of the little rubber feet, so I was waiting for those to show up, and they showed up yesterday. So I'll get some hardware and get those compressors mounted. I cut the hitch off the back, so the back lays way harder than it did before. Like, it lays like it's supposed to now. It's not laying on the hitch anymore. And then you can see earlier I've got the 06, 07 front end all mocked up. It's just kind of bubblegum and zip ties right now, but got the new fog lights on there, got the new headlights, the crystal clears mounted. Just kind of wanted to see how everything was going to look and make sure everything was going to fit like it was supposed to. The plan is I'm going to repaint the inserts on the grill black because they're all sun faded, and then we're going to paint the hood, the filler there between the headlight and the turn signal, the top cap, the lower valance, the mirror caps, the door handles, and the tailgate handle. So all that will be painted the body color, so the truck will be all blue. And then, like I said, I got to figure out what's going on with the front suspension, get those tie rods thrown on. Probably I don't know if I'll throw like a shoestring alignment on it or if I'll take it and get it aligned, just because it's got a couple of other stops it's got to make before the truck's drivable. But I would like to not eat these tires up because the alignment is super bad right now. So it's got to go. It's got 3 broken exhaust manifold bolts. My buddy Donnie is going to do that, and then it's going to leave from him. My buddy Nick opened up Slick Nick's Customs in Jefferson City, Missouri, and I haven't been able to give him any business yet. So I'm going to take him the truck for him to do the gauges for the air ride. So it'll be dual needle to monitor the front bags, dual needle to monitor the back bags, and then the tank pressure. And then I've got the mount for the center console, the gauge pod that'll fit in there and hold all the gauges. So Nick's going to do that for me. And my buddy Doug is going to paint everything. And then it should be ready for a realignment after all that and be back on the road. I don't know if I'm going to rush and do the raised bed floor right now. I'm going to start on it, but I'm going to get this box taken out of here. That way I can at least set the bed back on the truck if I need to, so that I can have a complete truck. I also still need to finish wiring these compressors. I've got pretty much everything done. I've just got to mount the relay or solenoid and run the power and ground to the actual compressors. Yeah, we're moving along slowly but surely. I do have to haul off some scrap pretty soon, so I'll at least get the bed floor, and I think I'm going to cut the bed sides, like the inner bed sides, out of this in case I need those too. But I think I'm going to go ahead and get this bed cut out. That way I can get started on that at least, and that'll kind of give me a better idea of how I want to go about doing it. So, and that way, this bed takes up a lot of space the way it is. I just moved it over here the other day because it was in my way. So I need to go ahead and get that bed floor cut out and then haul off the rest of it whenever I haul off some of this scrap metal around here. But yeah, little update on the truck. I am finally progressing after waiting on parts for 22 weeks, I think it was. But yeah, we're heading in the right direction now.